A very good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well, and a very good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well and everything is fine. So here we are here today at Friday. We are here to discuss about SAP. Uh, so basically, just let me remind you what exactly is SAP is, and you can see the training summary on my screen. SAP FICO is the finance and cost controlling module in ERP, where FI stands for financial accounting and CO stands for controlling. So main aspect of the finance accounting is to control the financial controlling and finance accounting. That is nothing but cost control, you can say. So to have a better understanding of SAP, you should know about accounting and basics of SAP. Okay. So now in our previous classes or in our previous sessions we have been gone through introduction to SAP, what exactly it is, and how to create a company, how to create assign a company code, etc. So now I will just since I was busy not getting a time, so now I would like to walk you through all for the SAP FICO, what exactly it is. SAP FICO is a module uh, used for financial reporting both externally and internally. The objective is to record all the financial transactions that are posted by an entity nothing but an firm. Okay. SAP FI is made up of submodules. The submodules are often used as accounting and general accounting. So you can see here the chart. These all are interrelated to each other. General ledger. So in general ledger, nothing but each activity, each account will have general ledger account. So now in general ledger you have four pyramids or four pillars, what we can say: accounts payable, accounts receivables, bank accounting, and asset accounting. So basically accounts receivables, what exactly do? General ledger accounting comprise of accounts receivables, four sub accounts, that is accounts payable, or four sub departments within the account: accounts receivable, accounts payable, asset accounting, and bank accounting. So what exactly general accounting does? All general ledger accounts that are used for reporting and managed through general ledger accounting. In SAP, a set of all general ledger accounts used by a company or a group of companies is called chart of accounts. So we have gone through already for creating a chart of account for a company to record all the transactions related to sales, purchases, or any bank activity or any financial transactions. You should need to define chart of accounts. Okay. Transaction that can be done in direct general accounting include general vouchers which are posted to adjust current transactions. Okay. Account receivable. As account receivable is a separate department within the finance department, which is basically deal with the customers. Customers. Who all are the customers? Company sells the products to customers. Okay. Accounts payable generally deal with the vendors. What is vendors? From where company or entity make purchases. Okay. On credit basis or invoice posting, credit memo posting, like that. Asset accounting. What exactly is asset accounting? Transaction in asset accounting includes acquisitions of assets, mergers and acquisitions, sale of asset, transfer of an asset, or asset revaluation, or depreciation of an asset, and etc. Nothing but a fixed assets. Bank accounting. Bank accounting capture all the transaction within the banks, bank reconciliations, payments made to the vendors, payment received from the customers, everything. So these all are the basic parameters of SAP. So before we gone through how to create, how to create a company and everything, we have been gone through creating company chart of accounts. We have gone through uh, creating a company, create a company code and assigning a company code. We have been gone through how to create a chart of accounts. Now create a retained earning accounts. So we have already covered that. So now we will go through GL account SAP tutorial, where we can create display block and we can delete. Okay. So now how to create a GL account and how to display and how to block. What is block? If the any account is not in use, For example, if a discount account you are using for limited period of time, for example a company or which offers sale 10% only for limited period of time, then we can block that account. So that kind of. So now we will have how to create a new general account. So basically earlier, when we gone through creating a company code, creating a chart of account, creating a retained earning account, you would have noticed that we are using SPRO tran code. But now for GL related transaction we will use FS00 as a tran code. Okay, once we enter the tran code, we will click on execute nothing but the green tick mark on the left hand side below the menu bar. In that we will select enter GL account number. We will enter GL account number, we will enter company code, then we will create company. We have already created the company code, we can click create. Okay, second screen, entering the accounting group. Each company is having different groups. What is accounting group? Each company is having different accounting group. For example, a company is having selling products related to food items, groceries or clothing or medical pharmaceutical items. So each group category of the business of the product have the accounting group. So as per the GL account you are creating in PNL account, you have to create a accounting group. What exactly is the accounting group? So now in this field you can see enter account group first. Second, as per the type of GL account you are creating, select either PNL statement or balance sheet. So always we will select PNL statement account. And in the third field you can enter short description of the account, and in the fourth field you can enter the lengthiest. Okay, third, click on create bank interest tab. If you click on create bank interest tab, you need to update the field status group. Okay, then you can save. Once you click on field status group, you need to select GL account number and company code. Then you need to give the short description of the account and long description of the account. Then you need to FS00 to create a GL account, FS04 to display the GL master account. Okay, T code, enter the transaction FS04 SA. So now once you enter the FS04, in the next screen you need to enter the GL account number and the company code. In the next screen it will show you. Then you have to select the field from the list of change fields. Then it will show you what exactly the account is and what exactly here. How to block or delete. FS00 is the main T code we use for blocking or creating a new tran code. So now you can see enter FS00. Then you need to give the GL account number and company code number. Then you can click on lock icon, that is nothing but a block. Beside that you can see delete option as well. You can delete the GL as well. Okay, in the next screen you have to blocking options for GL accounts. You are having options for blocking account. You can block for creation, block for posting. If you are blocked for posting, nobody can post a single entry in the account. Okay, now mark for deletion. What is mark for deletion? If you want to delete any account which is no longer in use, you can mark for deletion that account. Okay, this is the options for deleting the accounts. So that's all today for us. What we have done, we have gone through the basics of SAP and how to create a GL account and transactions. So my sincere advice to you all to visit Groove99 website and explore more about it. And if you have any doubts and questions, do let me know. Inshallah, I will try to answer it with level of experience I have. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.